everyone! Glad to see you again. This is another part of basic rhythm exercise. This time, we gonna do some challenge games. At these first two exercises, you may assisted with the snare drum sound, assistant words and the metronome. At the third exercise, you may only be assisted with the helping words and the metronome. At the fourth exercise, you will be only assisted with metronome without snare drum sound nor the assistant words. Let's see how strong is your rhythm awareness. As usual, you may clap your hands, tap on a solid surface, or play with a percussive instrument. Are you ready? That's all for today. Thanks for all supports and comments to improve this channel. For new joiners, please take your time to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a nice day and ta-ta for now.